Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to recover 8-ball pool account. To recover your account, it's important to ensure that the account you want to retrieve is linked to one of the pool or sister company platforms such as Facebook, Google Play, or Miniclip ID. As of 2025, the gear icon won't be visible on your dashboard. Instead, simply tap on your current profile, then head to the gear icon, settings, located at the top right of your screen. This is where you confirm which account you're recovering. If you've forgotten which account you used to log in, say through Facebook, and haven't logged into Facebook on your phone, you can recover your account through a web browser. Open any browser on your phone and visit the official 8ballpool.com site. At the top left, tap the three-line menu, then scroll down to the Help tab and further down to Get More Help. This will redirect you to the Miniclip support page. There, you can enter your email address or player ID, if you still have it. This process will send your request directly to 8-Ball Pool's customer support to assist with account recovery. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.